What's going on, you guys? My name is Mike.
I'm Bree.
Welcome to Fracture Compass, and today we have something a little special for you guys.
That's right. Whenever you go to any haunted house or any theme park haunt in the world, or in this country, for that matter, what do we see? We see masks. A lot of masks. And there's a lot of makeup too, but there are a lot of masks. And we kind of wanted to delve into what goes into making these masks.
Yeah, and I think, first of all, like, if you don't have a mask, that's good. That's like, you know.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. If you don't have a mask that looks like that, then you just really don't have anything at all. Like, you can put on makeup and make a good creature, but if you're going for the mask look, you need to have something that's convincing and real, and most importantly, love behind it.
Truth.
Love, Brie.
Love.
Love. It's Valentine's Day. Love. Oh, I just thought of that. That was
Happy
cute.
Valentine's Day to you guys.
Yeah.
If you're alone, that's cool.
Discount candy day.
Love yourself.
Exactly.
Love yourself, because Valentine's Day isn't just for couples. It's just about love.
It's also for monsters.
Truth. And we do love monsters.
Yeah.
So we decided we would see what goes into making these masks for these monsters. You go to these artists who are mask makers and you think, oh, they're just gonna make a quick mask for me. But what we're finding out is it takes hours and hours and hours.
I'm not finding it out.
Of time.
She's finding it out because she's the victim. She's the one that's getting a mask.
It's taking hours of time to make these masks, and custom masks can go anywhere from like $100 all the way to hundreds of thousands of dollars.
Yes.
Depending on what you want done with them, what your character is, how custom you want this thing.
So, Bree, there's many kinds of masks out there that can, you know, be made from foam, latex, clay. What kind of mask are you looking to get for yourself?
Now, a little bit of delve into my personal life. I'm actually allergic to latex. Okay? So I had to go with a silicone mask, which is a lot of, if you follow Immortal masks, all of their masks are mainly silicone.
They're the ones that kind of feel like flesh, right?
Yes,
Yeah,
they're
that's
very,
weird.
very realistic, and they're very, very expensive. You guys show up to Monsterpalooza this year, May 8th through May 10th. You're going to see Immortal there. You can check out their masks.
Incredible.
You will not find one under $1,000.
No, but like high quality, very well painted. Like, it just feels like you're like wearing flesh.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah,
And
so-
it stretches with you. So if you would like a custom mask, you know, look into your local area, and you can commission an artist to make a mask. Just know you're gonna pay.
It might be some money, or it might not, but depending on, you know, what kind of mask you want, the price is always going to vary. So I think you are going to go ahead and get this mask going.
Yeah.
Are you ready? Are you nervous?
So I am very nervous because I've never done this before. We're gonna start with the live cast because my face is a little small and weird.
It's not small and weird.
Small and weird.
No.
Anyways, so we decided to make me the victim, and we're gonna put me in the chair, and we're gonna live cast me, and we're gonna make a mask.
I'm excited. Let's see.
All right.
Let's goo it. Let's goo it.
Let's do it.
Let's put goo on your face. Let's goo it.
Let's goo it.
Let's goo it. Yeah, let's goo it. All right. All right.
bag,
It
right?
makes the shine look so nice.
Just so that way you don't. I mean, I know you don't care.
Oh
about the shirt.
yeah.
I don't care about my shirt. But what?
But you're gonna want
want
some.
that.
You're gonna want one.
I need a little bit bigger holes for my biceps.
To see if you have an allergic reaction. Because so we're gonna make you a super cool, super fashion
Ooh.
person.
Swim cap.
So yeah, pretty sure you know how to put these on, right?
Speedo. Probably not. But I mean, I have put them on before. Probably not the right way.
It doesn't really matter.
No. Just gonna make sure you have just all your face. That's it. See?
Does it feel like it's pulling you like too much? Because normally what I do is I lift it, make a mad face, and then let go.
Make a mad face?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You ready for my mad face?
So that. So now your face feels more like relaxed in a
Yeah.
sense, instead of like.
Yeah.
So put your arm up.
Okay.
So
We're testing.
a small amount, just like that.
Just kidding.
We'll
Watch,
test
it's
that.
all
You wanna
bubbles.
try
There's the
and see
bubbles.
the density of it. And that way you know it's not gonna like run or whatever.
Yeah.
So right now you test it on a little piece of your body so that you can tell if you're allergic to it or not before you put it on your face. Unlike my brother-in-law who just slathers on blue paint on his face.
Avatar video. We'll link it.
Avatar video, we'll link that up above. So a couple things you don't account for is one, like, the most thing I was fighting is trying to not to open my eyes because I'm all like, I don't want to see. Two, the weight.
It's heavy?
Like, it gets a little heavy, and it's not very heavy at all, but it's just like,
Yeah, steak though.
yeah, like it just keeps pulling down. Oh my god.
Is it bright right now?
Yeah, it's so bright. It's like I'm a newborn.
You showed her murdered. Yeah, the murder scene photo.
But that was fun. That wasn't bad at all.
Sorry.
I could breathe the whole time, so that was good. I just got really cold though.
Yeah, I saw.
Yeah, that's right.
I was like,
It's pretty cool.
face.
Side. Face.
Yeah, wow, that wasn't, I thought it was I didn't think it was gonna be bad, but that was pretty easy. It was just, I mean, I could hear you guys, and so I'm all like, don't laugh. Don't laugh. You can see me going like,
When you went like that, I was like, oh, sorry.
yeah, like I was like, don't do that. I'm gonna bust out laughing.
Sorry.
Do it.
Sorry.
Sorry.